Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to get paid apps and also the apps which are not available in your country totally free. So the first step we have to do is to install one app named Blackmart from Google. You can Google it. And also the second step is just open the app. And as we can see, there are some famous paid apps. Actually this app contains all paid apps totally free, and also you can download free apps from this app. It is the best way to download any paid app totally free. So let's start with it takes some time to load. For using this app we need a good internet connection. Let's download and install Camera Zoom FX Premium. As we can see here, it is showing us the money, but as we open the app, it shows us install button. So click on install, and the first version you will see is the latest version of the app. So click on that version. So it has installed. Install the app. So as we can see guys, we have downloaded and installed successfully Camera Zoom FX Premium version. It's working. There are no force close or anything. We cannot see any ads. So we'll close it and we will install another paid app. So let's see. So let's go with so we'll download on Nova Launcher Prime. Let's see does it works or not. Remember guys, we have to click on the first version. It will be the latest version of the app. So click yes, we have installed Nova Launcher Prime. Okay guys, as you can see, we have successfully downloaded Nova Launcher Prime and installed it. Here it is showing, thank you for purchasing Nova Launcher Prime. This app enables the premium features of Nova Launcher. Please install the free version of Nova Launcher to continue. So we will not download Nova Launcher free. So as we can see guys, we have downloaded paid apps. Let's try with Power App, full version unlocker. So we'll install it, the first version. Let's launch it. As we can see, it's showing us a dialog box saying thank you for purchasing Power Amp full version unlocker. Please install Power Amp trial. Okay, as we can see, we have installed the paid apps totally free without purchasing them. So enjoy the video and also download paid apps totally free. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video.